Imagine having one free tool that can repair Windows, clean junk files, fix network issues, troubleshoot system errors, unlock hidden Windows features, and even optimize your PC's performance, all from one simple dashboard. And the best part, it's completely free and available directly from the Microsoft Store. So let's jump in and see why this might become one of the most useful Windows tools you've ever installed. So open your Microsoft Store. I will also give you its direct link in the description, and here you have to search Fixyfier and you will get this application. When you come here, you just have to click on the gate here. So as soon as it gets downloaded, it will open and show you. So you click on open, click on yes. Once you open the application, you're greeted with a clean and well-organized interface that's surprisingly easy to navigate. Right away, you'll notice several categories neatly arranged on the left side. Each section focuses on a different area of Windows maintenance, from repairing system files and boosting performance to improving security, fixing network issues, managing files, and even accessing hidden Windows features. There's also a light and dark mode if you want to customize the appearance. I personally prefer dark mode since it's easier on the eyes, but you can choose whichever you like. Now let's start with the feature that will probably save most people the most time. This is essentially the Fix My PC button. Instead of performing several maintenance tasks one by one, this option bundles them together into a single process. With one click, it cleans temporary files, removes unnecessary Windows data, refreshes network settings, clears cached files, and launches Windows cleanup tools automatically. Think about how much time that saves. Normally, if your PC starts slowing down, you'd search Google for different fixes, open multiple Windows settings, and maybe even copy command prompt commands from different websites. Here, everything is already built into one place. Just start the process and let the application handle the rest. Within a few moments, Windows finishes cleaning itself and reports that everything completed successfully. For anyone who regularly wants to keep their PC running smoothly, this feature alone is worth using, but that's only scratching the surface. The next section is where this tool really starts to show its power. If you've ever searched YouTube for Windows repair tutorials, you've probably come across commands that look confusing at first glance. There are different commands for repairing Windows, checking your drive, fixing corrupted files, restoring system components, troubleshooting audio issues, repairing Windows Update, and much more. Remembering all of those commands isn't easy, especially if you only need them once every few months. That's exactly what this section solves. Instead of memorizing anything, you simply choose the repair you need and let the application do the work for you. For example, if your computer is showing disk-related errors, randomly freezing, or taking much longer than usual to start, you can quickly launch a full disk check directly from here. If Windows itself has corrupted system files causing crashes or strange behavior, the application can automatically run the built-in repair tools that Microsoft already provides. Even advanced repair utilities that normally require lengthy command prompt commands become as simple as pressing a button. One thing I really like is that the application also explains what each repair actually does. So if you're not familiar with a particular tool, you don't need to leave the application and search online. The description tells you exactly when you should use it and what problem it's designed to solve. You'll also find several built-in troubleshooters gathered together in one place. Whether you're having problems with Windows Update, Bluetooth devices, your speakers, or memory-related issues, you can launch the appropriate repair tool without digging through Windows settings. This saves a surprising amount of time because everything is organized logically instead of being scattered throughout Windows. Now, repairing Windows is important, but once your system is healthy, the next thing you'll probably want is better performance. And that's exactly where the next section comes in. This is easily one of my favorite sections because it's designed to help Windows stay clean, responsive, and running at its best. Over time, Windows collects temporary files, cached data, leftover update files, thumbnails, and other unnecessary items that slowly consume storage and can affect performance. Most people never clean these manually simply because they don't know where everything is stored. This tool brings all of those cleanup options together into one place. Whether you want to remove temporary files, empty the recycle bin, clear Windows Update cache, refresh application caches, or perform a full disk cleanup, Everything can be done in just a few clicks. There's also an option to optimize traditional hard drives, helping improve performance on older systems. If you're using an SSD, you generally won't need that feature, but it's great to have available for HDD users. Now here's the section that really surprised me. Most of the settings here are buried deep inside Windows, and finding them manually usually means jumping through multiple menus or using PowerShell commands. With this tool, they're all available from one dashboard. Need to temporarily disable or re-enable Windows Firewall? It's done in seconds. Want to manage features like Hyper-V, Hibernate, Smart App Control, or sysmain? Instead of searching for tutorials or remembering commands, you can control everything from here with just a few clicks. But one feature really stands out: the Ultimate Performance Power Plan. If you use your PC for gaming, video editing, programming, or any demanding tasks, you've probably heard about it. The problem is that many Windows installations don't even show this power plan by default. This tool unlocks it for you instantly. Once enabled, you can simply select it from your Windows power options and give your PC maximum performance whenever you need it. You'll also find several quality of life tweaks that make Windows feel much cleaner. Things like removing start menu suggestions, disabling File Explorer advertisements, turning off taskbar promotions, and stopping personalized ads can all be done without digging through Windows settings. They're small changes individually, but together they make Windows feel far less cluttered. If you use BitLocker, you'll appreciate having its most common controls organized in one place as well, making drive management much easier. And while this section focuses on improving Windows itself, the next one is all about giving you quick access to the tools you use most. Think of this section as your Windows Control Center. Instead of opening different menus every time you need a system utility, everything is collected into one convenient location. You can quickly view important hardware information, including your processor, memory, storage, graphics, and overall system details without navigating through multiple settings pages. It also provides shortcuts to many Windows utilities that users access regularly. Whether you need Windows Update, Windows Defender, Command Prompt, PowerShell, Disk Management, Services, or Computer Management, they're all just one click away. One feature I think many people will appreciate is scheduled shutdown. Let's say you're downloading a huge game overnight or rendering a long video. Instead of waiting for it to finish, you can simply schedule your PC to shut down automatically after a specific amount of time and walk away. Another standout feature is restart into BIOS. Getting into BIOS isn't always straightforward. Different manufacturers use different keys. Fast startup sometimes gets in the way, and many users simply miss the timing. This tool removes that frustration by taking you directly into BIOS without the usual guessing game. But we're not done yet. The next section can save you a lot of headaches whenever your internet decides to stop cooperating. Almost everyone has experienced internet problems at some point. Maybe websites won't load. Windows says you're connected, but nothing actually works, or your Wi-Fi randomly disconnects for no obvious reason. Normally, fixing these issues means opening Command Prompt and running a series of networking commands one after another. This application makes that process much easier. You can quickly test your internet connection, view your network information, refresh your IP address, clear DNS cache, reset network components, repair WinSock, and perform several other common networking tasks, all from one place. Instead of searching online for the correct commands every single time, you simply choose the option you need and let the application do the work. It's one of those features you may not use every day, but when your network starts acting up, you'll be glad it's there. Now let's look at something that adds a bit more privacy. This section is designed for managing and protecting your files. One feature I found particularly useful is the ability to lock folders. If you have personal files that you don't want other users accessing, you can protect that folder in just a few steps. Whenever you need access again, simply unlock it using the same tool. It's straightforward, practical, and much easier than searching for third-party software. You'll also find options to hide folders, unhide them later, or manage them whenever necessary. Everything is simple enough that even beginners can use it without worrying about complicated settings. At this point, we've covered repairs, optimization, security, networking, and file management. The developer section is aimed at users who enjoy automating tasks. Instead of repeating the same maintenance process every week, you can generate batch files that perform multiple actions automatically. If you're an advanced user, you can even build your own custom automation based on your workflow. It's a nice addition that gives the application even more flexibility. After spending some time with this application, I can honestly say it's one of the most complete free Windows utility tools I've come across. Instead of installing multiple programs, if you decide to try it, let me know in the comments which feature impressed you the most or which one you think you'll use the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.